Yoga with the puppies is a beautiful way. A beautiful way to lift up the mood. Connection we feel is a beautiful way. Soothing our souls with a positive food. Come in the room. Now, finding your peace through a fluffy, tiny, wet nose. Support emotional health. Puppy yoga flow. I see them wag, I see them run, I see them play. Yoga with the puppies is a beautiful way. A beautiful way to lift up the mood. Connection we feel is a beautiful way. Soothing our souls with a positive food. Come in the room. Lifted in the room. Gentle hands meeting a warm furry face. Meeting new people is good for their mind. Growing up happy in such a soft space. Unique French Bulldogs are one of a kind. I see them wag, I see them run.